fence. Welcome back. We have put in our fence posts. They are all in place.
They've sat for 48 hours, those two, and then those one, no, 48 hours, those three. Those ones have sat 72 now. So they're in there pretty solidly, so we're gonna put on the fence now.
And so yesterday we finished covering them back up with the dirt in the holes around them and then stamped it down really good.
That top bar is a little bit bent, so it's gonna be interesting to see how well that goes on, but we'll figure it out.
Hopefully there's a little give in all of it so that it'll just kind of work together. But the last step will be seeding the dirt with our grass seed. So yeah.
Walked in darkness, my home was a night. Then you came into my life, showed me brilliant light.
We're getting close to being done with the fence, and once we are, we'll basically be professional fencers.
Okay. Now that we've completed our training, we can fence anything.
So we've got the chain link back up now, and in the backyard already feels so much more private.
Which is good, so we can keep the randos out of our yard.
Randos? What randos? It's just families and kids.
Yeah, it is, but there's that creepy guy who always walks around.
What creepy guy?
The guy in the red sweatshirt that's always walking, I point him out to you.
No, you have not pointed out anyone.
Yes, I have. He's got a red sweatshirt and he's wearing sunglasses and he's always just walking around.
I have never seen this guy.
Well, I'll point him out to you again, but anyway, he's a little bit creepy and he's the only one. The rest of them are fine. It's safer and it's more private, and that's what we wanted. The chain link is back up now. The only issue we had was there was a small tree that had grown up through the fence. We tried like crazy to get it off. We used a hammer and a chisel. I broke a hacksaw blade on it. We did get one chunk off of the fence, but the lower, thicker part of the stump is still there. So we're gonna take a break from that for now because we've got some blisties and we're just gonna keep working on finishing up the rest of the project. Okay, so last step that we have right now with the fence project is just, I'm going to be raking through all of this dirt to get it prepared for my grass seed because we are done working on it now on this section of it. We've got one end post that we're going to be digging up and redoing because it's bent. Same reason from the snow, all the snow and the snow plow. So, but that's way on that corner. So I'm going to be prepping all this for the grass seed, and since we're done in this area. So we also have a little chubby chipmunk who has been running back and forth our fence line with a mouthful of food. I don't know where he's getting from, but I've seen him come and go like 4 times, so maybe you'll get to see him on camera. Okay, today is the second full day after putting the grass seed down. What it's looking like right now is not a whole lot, but you can still see a lot of the grass seed. It's those little grains that kind of look a little bit like rice. And so I was a little worried that the grass seed would all just wash away when I was watering it. Because you're supposed to water it 2 to 3 times a day. And so far so good.
So Mom's trying to get the dirt off.
I'm weeding. I'm weeding this.
Mom's trying to weed the grass.
Yep.
And as you can see, the grass is coming in nicely, and it went easier than we thought. It just took less time than we thought too.
Yeah, and it looks great, and we can also keep the riprap out of our yard.
You guys talking about me?
No, not you, sir, not you.
So in our next video, we're gonna paint the outside of our basement to add to the curb appeal of our home.
And so we wanted to just say thank you to everybody who's already subscribed. We're glad that you're liking the videos, and make sure you also hit that little thumbs up button if you haven't liked our videos. It just really helps our channel grow, and so we'd appreciate it.
See, I have to go. I'm still in the shot. I can't.
Okay,
You do it like this though.
step in.
elephants.
I'm chewing my gum.
Are they a sponsor?
Who's they?
Who's your gum?
Oh my god. I don't know. Who's your gum? Gotta get in the walking mode.
How'd I look? She liked it.
Yay!
Awesome.
Actually, I was thinking my right side is my good side, and I think it's actually my left side.
My good side is the
'cause
front side.
I think like we've
Actually, it's the back
if
side.
we've get out of there.
So we've got the chain link up, and it already feels more private back here. No one can see you grab my butt.
I know. That's why it's funny. You're gonna try to do it without laughing. The creepy guy who is always walking around.
I don't remember what my line is. I just say no.
So we got the top rat.
Real. Not real.
Stop it. Palmer.
Take the
Stop. Don't. I really hope.
So did I. I went.
I was the opposite. I was like, buy a thread. So, we're gonna.
Randos. What randos?
Well.
High and five.
Pine cones.
Too tired for that.